Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Grow Coaching Model template. What is a Grow Coaching Model? A Grow Coaching Model is a framework one can use when coaching or mentoring clients. They can use it specifically to structure their sessions. The acronym GROW stands for G, Goal. During this part of the session, the client shares with the facilitator what they want to achieve. It's highly encouraged to create a SMART goal, one that is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. R is for reality. During this part of the session, the facilitator encourages the client to describe their current state. O is for options. Here the facilitator brainstorms with the clients the many best ways to reach their goal with their reality in mind, that are also feasible. W stands for will. Now that the client has a better understanding and clearer path toward their goal, it's time for them to take the steps towards it. Here the client will draft up concrete actions towards their goal and ways to become motivated. As a result, it's commonly used by coaches and mentors, as well as counsellors and life coaches. Here's how to use a Grow Coaching Model. The first step is to fill in the client information at the top and then read the questions. You'll then need to fill in all sections, with each answer having 2 to 5 sentences at least. To view a sample template of the Grow Coaching Model, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the model for free. You can also access the model through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords, select the note, and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more wellbeing and healthcare related videos.